this is Mona Banu. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to make an amazing food for you. No doubt we all want to try it in our childhood. Let's start. Ratatouille, a famous French food. Let's go and make it. It's so delicious. First, we prepare the special sauce. Olive oil, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Now we add 3 tomatoes. Add some salt and pepper. And a half glass of water. The thickness of sauce should be like this, not too thick, not too thin. 3 eggplants. 3 green pumpkins. 3 tomatoes, and 4 onions. Now we pour the sauce into our dish. In my opinion, it is much more beautiful to make it in an oval dish. We arrange the vegetables beautifully on dish like this. Just try to arrange the ingredients on the dish beautifully. Now we marinate our vegetables with some olive oil, paprika, salt, garlic powder and oregano. Now we cover it like this. We set the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and let it cook for 45 minutes. Now we remove the cover, pour Parmesan cheese on it and put it in the oven for another 10 minutes so that its surface is completely grilled. You know what? Let's try to serve it in the chef mouse manner. Wow, it's gonna work! So that's it. Well done. It's very beautiful and tasty. Promise me to cook it.